Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the Lano wireless video transmitter and recorder. So, this device does wireless recording, it supports PD charging, and it also works as a wireless screen projection tool. On the back of the box, we can see some details from the company. So first, let's unbox it and take a look at what we get inside. While unboxing, the first thing we get is a user manual. Then we get a device. This is the transmitter. You can see it has TX written on it, which means it's the transmitter. It also comes with a cap. Here we have the receiver. This one is the receiver. And we got another small box inside. From that, we received an HDMI cable. After that, we have a Type A to Type C cable. This cable can also work as Type C to Type C. So basically, it supports both functionalities, Type A to Type C and Type C to Type C. It's a fabric-coated cable, so there's no chance of it tearing or getting damaged easily. And last but not least, we get a Type-C male-to-female cable, where one side is the input and the other side is the output. Now let's look at the product itself. This one is the receiver. It has a holding hanger here. Their logo is engraved here. RX is written here. There's a soft button. On the back, it has a rubber pad which helps with grip. On the side, you can see an HDMI output port. There is also a flash headphone jack. On the other side, there's an HDMI input option, along with another microphone input. Here we have a USB-C port for charging, and another Type-C port for 5 volts input. This is for charging, and this one is for the input cable. Now let's take a look at the transmitter. The transmitter has a PD charging port on this side, which supports both charging and data transfer at the same time. Their branding is also on this side. There's a TX switch here and a microphone volume indicator. Another Type-C port is also provided here. The product is extremely lightweight. If we check the weight, the transmitter is only 28 grams and the receiver is only 75 grams. So it's very lightweight. Now we will test the product. Not just a mobile phone, we also connected this device to our MacBook and played it on our TV. We tested it on a 70-inch TV using the MacBook's output. So first, to connect it, we plugged the transmitter into the USB-C port of the MacBook. Then we powered the receiver using a power cable and connected another HDMI output cable from the receiver to the TV. After attaching everything, you can see how seamlessly it plays on the TV directly from the MacBook. There is absolutely no lag. We are playing a 4K footage from YouTube here, and it is running smoothly without any delay. So overall, this is truly an impressive product. We will connect our mobile to an external monitor and see how it works. First, we connected our camera monitor using HDMI. Then we connected the HDMI cable from the monitor to the receiver. We also gave it a power input, because without power, the device won't fully activate. So we plugged that in as well. Next, we connected the transmitter to our mobile. This is plug and play, no complications. As soon as we plugged it in, you can see a small icon pop up on the screen. Then we turned it on. After turning it on, you can see that it already started showing the Android system on the monitor. It actually works somewhat like Windows. There's a touchpad option. For example, when we click on the icon here, a mousepad-like interface appears. Using that, we can control everything. If we rotate here, you can see the cursor moving on the monitor. From here, we can open anything. For example, let's open the gallery. As you can see, the gallery has appeared in full size, and we can play anything from here. Let's go to the videos section. We opened a video, made it full screen, and you can see that it's playing smoothly. This was from our phone's gallery. Now let's test how it performs through the internet. For example, YouTube. We go back using the back button and then open YouTube. Let's enlarge the screen. Now we open a video. You can see the video quality is amazing. It's very clear and plays without any lag. Using the touchpad, you can control anything you want. Apps, videos, gallery, all of it. It's very convenient, and you can even live stream using OBS through this device. The Lano wireless HDMI transmitter and recorder is truly an all-in-one solution for creators, streamers, and mobile content producers. It's lightweight, plug and play, supports wireless screen projection, PD fast charging and delivers smooth, lag-free performance whether you're playing videos, browsing, or streaming live. If you want a compact device that can handle recording, monitoring, and wireless display without any complicated setup, this one is absolutely worth it. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and demos. And if you want to grab the Lano wireless transmitter for yourself, check the link in the description below. See you in the next video. This product will be available in the Kickstarter very soon. I already put the Kickstarter link in the description box. Please go ahead and check it out. See you in the next video.